I made it. I couldn't have done it without you.
Thanks, Batman. You got time to say a few words? No? Figures.
So, we meet again, Mr. Mayor.
Miss Vale, I really don't have anything to say.
Really? How about the fact that it was you that hired Hugo Strange?
It wasn't my fault.
Oh? Then whose was it? Gotham wants to know. Gotham needs to know.
I have no comment. Now please leave me alone.
Would you like to set the record straight? Tell Gotham exactly what's happening in Arkham City? How about that interview, Batman?
Please, just leave me alone. I told you everything.
Hope you had a chance to stick your fist in Nigma's face.
I was gonna ask what Sharp did to deserve being thrown in here, but seeing as how I remember what he did back at the asylum, I think this may just be the place for him.
All targets are lit. I repeat, we have multiple successful strikes, all on target. Multiple targets acquired and neutralized. We have multiple casualties. Thermal scans of the area are showing 17 casualties.
What are you gonna do now? Hey, here's an idea. Why don't you go back up top and let one of Strange's bombs blow the crap out of you? You're not welcome down here.
Target is hit.
Hell, you're not welcome anywhere.
Targets are...
Well, look who it is. Little Mr. Cobblepot, all locked up in his own museum.
Did the big bad bat do this? Or was it the cat?
Laugh, boy. I'll get out of here, and then you're gonna regret this.
Really? I'll let the boss know when he gets here.
What?
Oh, sorry. Didn't I mention? Oh, sorry about that. Two-Face is on his way back. He's got his eyes on this place to set up camp.
He wouldn't dare.
Really? What's stopping him? You?
You tell Harvey that if he even steps 1 foot in this place, I'll kill him. I'll tear him in half. Though, he'll probably like that, won't he?
Tell him yourself. He'll be here soon.
Look out! It's Batman! Well, look who's back to see me. What's up, Batman? Did a little bird tell you that Two-Face is back?
I'm surprised he didn't kill you. What did you do? Hide?
Who do you think you're talking to? Oswald Cobblepot doesn't hide from anyone. Understand? He just didn't see me, that's all.
How convenient.
My family used to own Gotham. It will again.
targets down. Body count is high. Missile lot. Structure is hit. We have multiple casualties.
I've got the code. I'm heading to Wonder Tower.
Good. You're doing the right thing. The code should let you enter via the guard room near the main gate.
Don't lose Talia's signal. When I'm finished in the tower, I'm going after her. She doesn't know Joker. She's out of her depth. I need to save her.
All targets are lit. I repeat, we have multiple successful strikes, all on target. I'm showing multiple hits in Sector 2. Hit successful. Inmate targets neutralized. Target is hit. Hit successful. Multiple inmate casualties. Multiple targets down. Body count is high. Successful. Multiple inmate casualties. Thermal scans in the area are showing 17 casualties.
They were headed for the underground tunnel system.
Excellent work. Hold them in processing. We will let you know when we are ready to move them down to the execution chamber.
Affirmative, Command.
Help us!
Stop right there, Batman. We need to talk. And I know you wouldn't be able to live with yourself if your actions caused this poor man to die. I have a question for you. Before my arrival, this city was drowning under a tide of filth. Have you ever considered that all this is your fault? Your presence creates these animals. Like germs, they spread. You created the environment that allowed the germ to mutate, to become stronger. Look at the Joker.